Hi and welcome back to the Brisbane Opal Museum. As you can see, I'm wearing this really interesting opal pendant, this one with the gold and diamonds on the bottom, top and sides of the gold setting. The opal itself in the center, mainly in like greens and blues, which are just amazing against gold. So it's really quite a beautiful piece. As you can see, like that design is just something I've never seen before. So it's completely unique, gorgeous green color, one of a kind design, and especially with the opals, they're in itself one of a kind. We do have free worldwide express shipping, and I will see you in the next video.